Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Matt, and we're in for another video. And I don't even know what was going on, but I'm ready for another one, guys. And the last one, I think we destroyed someone's body. So now in this one, yep, teenage zombies from outer space. What is this? No, that's just a location. Yeah, and you know, I have a feeling it's gonna be something sexual in this mission, but you know what? I'm always thinking sexual things, so I could be right, and I am right. Yeah, I could tell one of these people. I'm looking. Okay, I don't see anybody fucking yet, but you know, once we get in here, there's gonna be some fucking. There was some in the other mission with the beauty pageant queen. You already know they're gonna put it in this one, especially if it's at night at a movie theater. Yeah, there's some fucking. Tommy's trying to get to third base, and Sally's trying to get away with her V card, and everybody's in it, and blah blah blah, and whatever. So you already know. Johnny Sins could be in this one too. Not so sure. We'll find out. Hopefully. I don't know. Something about this loading screen. Takes forever. Oh, here we go. Oh, what did I say?
Sick and tired of this 2-bit town. Nothing ever happens.
No dancing, no rock and roll. Why, if it weren't for that juke joint down by the river, I'd never get my rocks off.
You said a mouthful, Cupcake. There's a whole wide world out there, and we're missing it.
What the
But
hell?
where can we go, Billy? This town's a one-way ticket for wild hearts like you and me.
It's tearing me apart!
What you need is a new direction,
Exactly.
a real purpose in life.
What the fuck?
Freaking A!
Ever thought about homeland protection?
Oh my
Home
god.
what?
Wise up, Romeo. There's a 500 million Reds who'd love nothing better than to rip that varsity sweater right off your back.
No kidding.
Take this little pamphlet. It'll tell you everything you need to know about protecting your little corner of the country from communist invasion.
Thanks a million, Daddy-O.
Freaking A.
Yo.
Wow. There goes a real American.
Oh
A
my
real
god.
American dreamboat. Meow.
What the fuck?
That's the last of them. Must have papered every JD in this stinking burg.
And our little film strip?
Spooled up and ready
Oh
to
my
go.
God.
The pimply
What the
projectionist
fuck?
is none the wiser.
Why does he look like
Won't those
that?
kids be surprised when Abbott and Costello turn into Jimmy and Johnny Commie Killer in Reel 6?
Good work, Agent, and not a moment too soon. We need to be in Santa Modesta yesterday. Don't break for yellow. Read me?
Loud and clear.
Sounded like Secret Agent Man was taking orders from the one in goggles. Want me to blow him up?
Thank you, Crypto, but I have a better idea. See the plaza over there by the big screen? The humans drive their carbon combustion transports in, and thence view projected images for the purpose of entertainment.
Makes perfect sense.
I suggest we beat Majestic at their own devious little game.
Kill the agents. Oh, look at that. Alright. I wonder. Oh, this guy's just taking a piss. I'll just. Where is it? There we go.
Ah! Leave my...
You know what? You could do this stealthy. Here we go. I forgot about you. Wait. That's an enemy? Is there someone in the car? No. What is it talking about? What are they watching? Is that a porn? Looks like something's landing. Hold on, I'm trying to focus in on this. Oh, that's Ark! Oh my god! They're watching someone's playing Ark. Oh shit.
When I catch you, you're going down.
Come on.
You picked them. Getting flashbacks to...
Yes. Yes. What's over here? Oh, another car. Why are the cars enemies? Why is that being... Ooh, a gazebo. Alright, we got this. Wow, their credits already rolled in. No way. This doesn't reach. There we
You
go.
little freak. Stop.
Excellent!
Got it.
I've prepared a special film that I'm sure the audience will love. Be a good boy and pick it up.
Alright, where's that?
I'm on it.
That way. Why? Why did he put it right there? Is anybody looking? Oh shit. What are you guys watching? Oh my god. He just vaporized that dog. Wow, what is that? Oh shit.
Now, sit back and enjoy the following
shit.
educational presentation from the Furon Empire.
Wait, kill an agent with a cop? Wait, what the fuck? Kill a cop with an agent? Where? Yo! What are you guys doing?
And I just might spare your life.
Yo!
Attention, citizens!
Just like you last week.
It's kind of a quiet mission. Why? What is it? Oh, wait, kill a
Is
cop.
this
with
all
an
you
agent.
got? It's all good fun until some. Here's a close look
I
at
think
the
that's what it meant.
painful
Yeah, kill a
kind.
kid. Okay. That's dumb.
Don't make me call Hoover.
Kill an agent with a cop. That's a cop.
Only 1 minute
Shit.
remaining. Keep calm.
You're terminated.
Over here. Is that an agent?
You ever seen
God, I hope none of the other cops. Put me
I'm not
down,
sure
or
if
else
I'm on
I'll
this right.
respect the cop.
Agent with a cop. I
Nobody.
can lift up that car. I don't get why you can't.
30 seconds. Hang
There's
on.
nothing you can do to me that the child.
Oh man. Motherfucker.
Eat pork, biatch.
Oh my god.
You can never.
10 seconds.
Please stop. Stop.
Cows make me sick.
I'm telling you, this is the
As
most
soon as I
quiet
get
mission
down,
I've
you
ever
are
heard.
one dead alien.
Focus.
Whatever. Oh my god, what's wrong with him? That's it? Man, that was whack. Now in theaters, Meet the Furons. In other news, Mayor's still missing. Really? Yeah, that was a whack mission. I didn't like that too much. I thought we'd see some sex. Come on. What happened?
Did you want a saucer upgrade? Or something a little more personal?
Yeah, I want some crypto upgrades. There we go. Even though they haven't really been fucking me up at all. Because it's good to be on the safe side. Alright, what's the next one? What the hell? South by Southwest? Alright, this must be because they were trying to get back to Santa Modesta or something. And they said don't break at the yellow. Oh my god. I'd shit my pants if that was chasing me. No way. And if I could see the alien smiling? Evil? Yeah. I know I'm fucked. That's not something to... Oh my god. His face should be just altered in some other way. And shooting with the anal probe. Damn, man. I don't know why. Anal probe. Why anal probe? It should have just been called probe. But instead they
Letting
flipped
you
the
off
idea.
the leash, Crypto. The time has come to escalate this little war against the Majestic. You would definitely be needing a more powerful weapon.
Oh. Okay. What's that gonna be? Finally. We're just in the middle of everywhere.
Be very careful with this weapon, Crypto. It can hurt you as well if you get too close.
They want to destroy our whale.
Shit.
Good
Oh my
Lord,
God.
It's an alien.
They were vaporized.
Holy.
Dude.
Martha, come quick. There's a giant hairless hamster eating the turnips.
What? Oh shit. I wish I could do that.
If you run out of ammunition,
Oh, fuck,
use
this is
transmog to recharge.
That's such a weird mechanic. Like literally just. Oh, if you press R2, it speeds up. Okay, cool. Jesus Christ. Wait, I want to see it done to a car now.
They want to destroy our way of life.
How am I out? I just refilled. The fuck? Oh, come on, man. Okay, good. Now we talk to you. Oh, damn. Yeah, this is an overpowered weapon. Definitely. Oh, wow. Right there. Woo! Oh my god, this is expensive. How much do you even get? Only one per? Jesus Christ. Can I get it for this weapon?
They've come to kick ass and chew bubblegum, and they're bubblegum.
Oh my god, I hope you guys heard that. Did they really put that in this game? No fucking way. Die, bitch. Oh shit, relax.
To get your arse.
Bitch. Give me your brain. Your brain stems. I want it all.
Little green man.
Bitch. Oh my god, that's fucked up. What's up with these people? Who made this commentary? Please give me what I'm looking for. I can't. Shit, please. You guys aren't helping. Okay, I gotta use them. They don't want me to use them. It's not working. Okay, now it's in vehicle. Back the fuck up, people. What is that? What the hell? What exploded? That was weird.
Permission to self-extinguish, sir.
Bye. Bye. He's dead? What's going on? Oh! Oh! Oh, he landed on his feet.
Holy smokes! Alien!
Thank you. These are all the weapons you got on this one? Electric. Wow. It's 4. Okay, what's going on here? You're not helping me, game.
Let's do this.
Drop your weapon!
Should've known.
You want a piece of this?
I need fuel.
You
Fuck.
think you can go 15 rounds with me?
Wow.
You're dead!
Dude, you can just do this. Look at all that brain stem. Oh my god.
Me to spare your life.
Him too. Come on, guys. Oh shit. Oh, maybe they're dropping grenades.
You're going down. You think you can go 15 rounds with me?
Stop!
What does that mean?
You want a piece of this?
Please help me. I need to. past this mission. I'm just fucking... Okay.
Look out, or I'll make you.
Oh. Like that almost got me.
Let's destroy entire Korean villages. You think I'm scared of you?
Wow. That's so
You've got
fucked up.
their attention. Now it's time to cause this nasty organization some real damage.
Yes.
If it looks majestic, annihilate it. Teach them the meaning of destruction.
Wait, we're doing this on land? I want to get in the saucer. 20,000? Oh, wait. No way. How did that tank just eat that?
And the party's over.
No, we gotta get in the fucking... Wait, kill with... No. We can't? What the fuck? Oh my god. You trying to fuck me? How am I gonna do this? Dude, they're chasing the fuck out of me and there's no fuel. There's no ammo. Oh my god. Pox, you fucking asshole. You fucked me. This is probably why the other crypto died. They even do the impossible. Got him. Woo! Shit.
Get out of the way.
Oh my god.
Time for
Sorry, bro. I gotta use the other one. Damn it, game. You're not helping. Okay, where are they? Where's the rest of these punks?
Midget! Freeze! Damn it!
They keep saying that. Midget. I'm not a midget. Hell? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
You're going down! Here's Johnny! Midget! No!
They just keep saying midget. I hope you guys are hearing that. That's all I'm hearing. Midget. Oh, shit. Damn it. Back the fuck up. No. Hey. Oh, God. I am gonna die. Come on, Shields. Hurry up. Thank you. They really are just falling. Holy shit! Dude!
You want to give me some water?
Oh my god, I should upgrade my weapons more. I really should have. Or something. Okay, good. Maybe we can take out the tanks. Oh my god!
It's killer!
Okay, good.
Show me
Let
what
it
you
shit.
got!
God damn it.
You're
How long
going
are we
down,
gonna be
little
here?
man! You're blocking my
Stop it! Damn it, my guns suck. No. Oh, fuck. There's gotta be something. A little bit of something. Please. What is that? Okay. I hope that helps. Damn it. Come on. Oh, that did help. Yeah, okay, if I can find those. I know there's like one more somewhere. Shit! Come on, Crypto, what are you doing? Oh, here we go. Back up. I don't want to die. Please. There we go. We did it. Yes.
Get to your
Finally.
ship. Let's get busy.
Oh my god.
Alien invaders!
This is too much. Crypto has nothing. I don't have anything to really take on these guys on foot. Like a couple, but not 20. They bring in 20. Alright, you guys fucked with the wrong alien.
It's time to exterminate the majestic infestation in this
Oh shit!
town.
What am I using?
Find the majestic
Sonic
base in this town
Boom?
and destroy
Oh, I think I
it.
remember this one. This one was awesome to use. Holy shit. Woo!
In the name of Joe
Recharge?
McCarthy and
Big
every
Maze!
bully.
Wait,
Never won a cold war by puking for his
poor guy. Wow, that really cut the house on fire. No fucking way.
not standard operating procedure.
Oh my god, can I blow it up just like that? Hold on. What? God damn it.
Down, space rat.
There we go. This. Oh, what? That's stupid. How do you? Oh, was it triangle? That's why. I think. What the hell happened down there?
Invaders!
Can somebody help me? How do I charge this thing? That's not it? Oh, there we go. Okay, good. God, what's that? All this bullshit. Okay, what else? Get more fuel? I can't believe you can do this in midair and just take their brain stems. Oh my god, that's almost cheating, isn't it? Okay, there's gotta be more fuel. I need more fuel somewhere. Come on. Somebody. Oh, there we go. Deactivate. Yeah. There you go. Why are you saying press square, idiot? Damn, dude. This is so much better than the...
Majestic base destroyed. That should put a plug in their sphincters for a while.
Oh my god. Look at that destruction. Wow. Serious blaze destroys motel. Manager blames alien invaders. Officials blame faulty wiring. Oh my god. That's so fucked up. That was one hell of a mission.
Step right up. Weapons, abilities, saucers, upgrades are us.
Yeah, okay, I haven't upgraded anything besides the anal probe, which is probably stupid of me. Because I need weapons that work, so if anything, let's go with the disintegrator ray. Wow, Matt. Did you pass first grade? I don't even know. Capacity or damage? Let's go with damage. There we go. We'll do the same thing. Oh, what the fuck? What are you doing, bitch? No! No, we didn't get to see it. Stop. Alright, I guess we're doing the next mission. Shit. Foreign correspondent. God damn, that's so fucked up. What is that, a bomb? Is that a bomb? It's Majestic's head. What is that with these concept arts? How fucked up are they? I'm thinking that's disintegrator ray ammo. Pretty sure. I don't know what else that could be. Oh, here we go with the loading. Oh man. You could probably age from just sitting here. What is this? Birth Witter assassination scare. Safety fears caused American news icon to run to ground. Icon to run to ground. Says the news cannot be silenced. Okay.
We seem to have put a dent into Majestic's mind control efforts, but they won't stay down for long. However, if we can harness the massive power of television,
we could brainwash the whole country.
We can easily transmit our signal on normal television frequencies. All we require is a suitable guise, a persona the humans will trust. My research indicates one possibility. A human television presenter called Burt Wither. But he's made himself scarce. Perhaps he got wind of what you did to Sleepy Ernst.
Forgive my impertinence, but you are an alien, are you not?
How'd you guess?
I knew it! I knew it! My prayers have been answered! On behalf of all the nations of the Earth, I welcome you to our planet, oh friend from another world.
Gee, thanks. Means a lot.
Enough chit-chat! We need to find Burt Wither. Where is he, pathetic crackpot human?
You want Burt Wither? You got him. Follow me.
Perfect.
So fucked up. This guy does not know what we've been doing this whole time. We've been on Earth. He thinks this is our first time. Oh my god. I wonder if he would even care. He'd probably still suck our cocks or whatever the hell. Oh, wait,
please, come with me.
Follow that crackpot. Never mind that he's crazy. He's our only lead.
I don't know. He would do something.
I hide secret stuff here. Nothing special. Just my baseball cards, my bottle cap collection, my notes on 11-dimensional superstring theory. But don't tell anybody, okay?
Who's talking?
Scan me, scan me, scan me.
What? Oh, okay. I guess, sure.
They've got electric force fields around the perimeter. You can turn them off, though. Just shoot the machine.
Just keep reading it.
You better stay low. They have gun turrets around the perimeter, too. A whole ton of them on the water side. Watch out for the EMP mines. They've got a bunch of those around the perimeter, too. The perimeter's pretty. You can take a human form, can't you? You could get over there in disguise. Only one disguise will do, though.
What's that? Yours? What happened to him? Oh my god. See, I never understood what happened when he did this. Did they get suspended in space? I think I fucked the game. There we go.
Boy, do I love Burt Wither. Even though he called me a crackpot in that TV interview, he said lukewarm fusion would never work, but it would, and I know it. If only I'd gotten the funny, but I didn't, thanks to Burt Wither. Bastard.
That sounds like Pox. Just in a different tone of voice.
Hey, the cook at this diner takes food to Burt Wither. He's the only one who gets past the force field and the guards. If that crackpot scientist is correct, Burt Wither is under heavy guard, and only this cook is allowed near him. You should use this cook to reach Burt Wither.
Beautiful garden, dear. You
right there.
man-stealing, stuck-up witch.
Wait, I hope we're not killing him. Oh, okay, cool. God, that scared me. So that's it? We're done with that guy back there? He's just gonna sit there? Why is this guy running like that? Oh my god. Look at his arms. Are they small? Where are we going? Undetected, huh? Where's this guy think?
Sure is weird. Burt Wither all holed up in a damp cave. There's gotta be a funny story there.
God. Oh shit.
Crypto, be very careful. This area appears to be heavily fortified.
Oh my
That
god.
Burt Wither guy's gotta be around here somewhere.
Oh shit.
Man, walking past all those gun turrets scares the crap out of me. Lucky I brought a change of pants.
Stupid. Oh shit. No! No! Stop it!
The stinking
Fuck!
garbage.
Okay, what's this?
Yeah, this is Carmine, the cook. I got a food delivery for Burt Wither. You want to turn off the force field?
You know, Carmine, you look like death warmed over. What did I
What?
tell you about eating your own cooking? I kid you. Oh, hold on a second. I'll let you in.
A secret entrance. It's just delightful when the monkeys attempt to use their brains.
Oh shit. Fuck.
Sure could use some crappy corned beef.
Maybe. Oh, right here. Awesome. Oh my god.
Beg me to spare your
What the fuck? Hey!
Sucker!
It's not me. It's him. He's back there. Yeah, go get him, guys. Fucking losers. What a bunch of idiots.
Just don't think about the fancy chef who got too close to those EMP mines. Talk about French toast. Good thing old Bert likes his TV dinners.
What the hell?
Where is the Salisbury steak from Mr. Wither? He's starving. Is it that hard to find him up the stairs on the second floor of the docks?
What?
So sick of that darn impassable force field. How can they have all these fancy gadgets around the perimeter and no...
Oh, we found him.
Please, don't hurt me. I'll do anything you say. I swear.
You bet your ass you will. Come on, birdie boy. I got a little job for you.
Holy shit. The sub? We're gonna take the sub? Oh shit. What do they want? Why are the cutscenes like kind of jumping in to the force to move? We gotta get into the saucer. Using explosives, huh? Cool. What are you doing?
Sir,
oh my god. That ain't kill him? Bert, move, idiot! Oh my god. Wait, what just happened? Oh my god, Bert, what are you doing? Get out the fucking way. Shit.
You're blocking my get out of the goddamn way!
Bert, why did they make him do that? He's literally getting in the way. Oh my god, they're EMPing me. Fuck. Oh shit. What is going on here? God fucking damn it. I want to know who made this part of the mission. He's literally just like in the way. He's not even helping. Fucking hell. Bert, move, idiot! Are you autistic?
Move it or listen up! Midget!
Oh, you better back the fuck up.
You're blocking my shot! Get out!
I'm so glad Bert's indestructible. He literally would have died, like, right off the bat. I don't know who idea.
You're going down, little man!
Let him easy. Holy shit! Yo! What's wrong with you? Oh god. Oh my god. Bert, run! Get out of there! Oh shit. Autopilot. I think. Who is Bert? Okay. We did it. 100%. SMCBS upload. Wither threatens to leave news desk over salary dispute. Oh, wow. Well, so far, now I'm kind of rolling into a stump of, I don't know what the hell our mission is anymore. It just seems like
So
we're doing
what
a
would
bunch
you
of
like to
random
upgrade,
things.
you little ball of unbridled aggression?
I mean, if you guys notice, we're kind of just, in a way, going from, like, mission to mission, doing random stuff. Like, in the beginning, there was the cows that turned green. The cows were fucking green. And I'm not sure if that was from a science experiment, what the point of it was. And then we go to the elections with the mayor talking about we need to go to Santa Modesta because we heard some information. But in the beginning, we're trying to learn where the hell is the alien that got killed in his saucer and the technology. I'm pretty sure. And we're fighting it against the Majestic. So I know that. Just some of these missions are a little vague when it comes to information being told. If you catch my drift. I mean, it's kind of like, it's fun, but I'm not too sure what we're doing. I mean, I know we're destroy all humans. It's like Saints Row. We're just blowing shit up and having fun. But at the same time, I'd like to know a little more of what's going on. Or some more detail. I want more storytelling, basically. Not more cinematics, but just more point to point. Okay, I know we're doing this and we're doing that. I mean, we're not just Furon aliens going around fucking shit up. I know that's not what we're trying to do. I mean, maybe. I mean, the way Crypto sounds like he don't give a shit. He gonna fuck anybody up that keeps getting in his way. But anyways, that's my input and take on this so far. Still having fun. It's just I need a little more. I mean, these graphics are nice and all, but the storytelling, it doesn't. You can't have all of one area and lack another one. You need everything to be balanced for it to come together. And that's my view. But anyways, guys, until the next video, signing off. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And peace.